to give you guys a little POV of what it's like to drive this beast of a car. It's actually very torquey, very spirited, and honestly, the square body is very weird to me. You know, I'm coming from the Audi RS5, the Audi R7, and there's something about this square body that just gets down. It's very weird. Let me check audio before we get too crazy with this. This is a nice turn here. Make sure it's sport mode here. We have the medium crackle pops on right now. Let's go ahead and just sit right here. I know it's in the road, but there's nobody coming down this road, so. You guys are sitting in a POV situation on a Mark 8 with a manual transmission. That's right, I'm gonna have to show you. What was that? Hopefully that was this. Jesus, you can hear everything in this. How did the traction control kick in here? There we go. All right, we have the, yeah, we want traction off. Yeah, I want the full shit. Gotta kind of drive like a GTI owner, so just so you guys can actually know what you're gonna do. You know, I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna fuck around with that Mustang right here. See this little fucker. Whittle. It's getting riled up. You know, the only gear I can't rev match very well is first gear. Just does not line up very well. You guys want me to try it? I really don't want to, but here we go. See, just it's off by like 200 RPMs. See, it must be a bad DSG clutch. This thing's got the torque though. It's actually a really fun car. Other than my drink shaking around in there. Sorry guys. I feel with this one, it's not antsy at the throttle, which I like, because this is a manual transmission, and if you have really antsy throttle control, it makes it actually harder to like control the gear shift, meaning like downshifting, upshifting. Count that one there. I'm gonna have to get that drink. It's just over here. You ready? See me wag it back. Oh, it's very light. Get my drink. Oh yes. Okay, so. Love the crackle pops off throttle. Just ready? Just beautiful. This is a very fun car. Actually, they really laid this out with tons of features. Look at the dash. Like, come on. Volkswagen giving you something like this. This is, you know, you got to be prestigious to get something like this. But they threw it in the Mark 8 GTI. You have your oil temp sitting here. You could change these around. You got the G-force. And, oh, fuck, a Mustang? Are you kidding me? Oh, you lucky you have to take a turn. Next up, you know, just look at this. Let me just show you real quick. You change your view, go to this one, be basic. You can go to the maps. You know, very fun layout on the cluster. Well done, Volkswagen, stepping it up. This is my favorite layout. No, I'm not going to try that. Let's see who would have tried that. I would have died. Okay, we could have done it. All right, now we're going to go put some gunshot crackle pops on there for you guys to hear that. But while I'm here, you know, just a little. because I know what you guys do when you're sitting at a red light. You just rev it. Oh, did I? No, I did. This is holy smokes traffic. Like, what? So this is what I do, guys. I just pull over on the side of the road. And we just, have fun with it. Wi-Fi's up. 23 revisions for you guys. Intense, low, medium. Let's go ahead and give that intense. Because I know what you guys actually want. Oh. It's not going to work because the car's not on. Testing MQ to be communication. That is not communication. Just give up. You lose. All right. Tune is loaded up. Let's go shoot some fireballs. All right. Let's turn the computer off so it's not so bright. Here we go. Is there a car coming or what do we got here? He's just doing this thing. Okay. Air parking distance. Shit, it's because we in the sauce, bro. Oh yeah, she's got the fucking sauce. Alright, so what you guys are hearing are the intense crackles, and we are lighting up the neighborhood right now for sure. Oh gosh. Oh god. Yep, we need to get this video done ASAP because we are definitely making some noise here. Yeah, honestly, we can go down this road. I hope you guys enjoy this content as I'm trying to figure out where to shoot gunshots without getting shot by Karen, She's coming out here. She's fucking crazy. Let's do it right here. Nice dark road. Alright, sit tight, guys. Oh, jeebus, that e-brake works. Fuck me up, huh? Oh. You guys better enjoy that content.